Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video we're going to be looking at a couple of cleaning products. Big shout out to Crystal Clear Details here. They have some great products at some great prices. The link will be in the description below, so go check them out. It's one of the main products we're going to be looking at today. At £13 a bottle, you've got an Aloe Wheel Cleaner Concentrate. This dilutes down to 10 to 1 for light use or 2 to 1 for heavy use. So this sort of bottle should last quite a while. For this video we're going to be focusing on one of the front alloys. As you can see, very dirty. Get a lot of brake dust build up on there. So we're going to dilute the product down, give it a spray on, agitate it with a brush, and then we'll jet wash it off and see how well they come up. For this, we're just going to be using some simple tools. That's a manual hand pump, a cleaner, cloth, very light brush, and jet wash. For the concentrate, we're going to be using roughly a 4 to 1 ratio, as we don't want to be using too much, but we also want to be clean. First of all, we'll soak the aloe. After that, we can apply the product. Now, a minute later, you can already see before I even start scrubbing, it's starting to lift the dirt up. So we'll give it a light scrub now. I'm not going to put too much work into it. Give it a rinse off. And there we have it. Now I have to admit, this is the cleanest. I've got these up without scrubbing my heart out. You can even see no grime left in the corners. That product works really well. And there we have it. One before and after. Nice easy wheel clean. I would recommend that product. Autobead wheel cleaner. Would I recommend it? Definitely. The price? Yeah, it's done a really good job. So, if you like this product, be sure to check out Crystal Clear Detail website. It's got loads of other stuff, some more stuff that I will be doing videos about shortly and uploading them. So keep an eye out for them, and thanks for joining.